Edie Beans with a little house of beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, we'll be making potato Burekas. This dish is inspired by my last year's trip to the Middle East. We just came back from a week in St. Croix diving with our niece and nephew. I am so eager to get back into cooking and make these potato Burekas. St. Croix, beautiful island, beautiful trip. The links to the products you see me using here and the recipe will be in the description below. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and click the like button to the Little House of Beans. Remember, we do have a cookbook, Outdoor Cooking with Edie Beans, available on Amazon and available as an ebook. I am so ready to make these potato Burekas. Let's cook!